What's up to you guys? Ghost Explorations out here. Coming out here with a new video, new content, new place, solo explorer. We are walking right now on an old road. It used to be old Lebanon Church Road, and now it's an abandoned street. Location we're headed to today is actually two of them on the road, actually. And just a random third one. As you can see, there's a tunnel ahead of us. It's probably an abandoned tunnel since the street's no longer used. I think when I was in high school, I traveled on this road with my friends one night. I think the old water treatment center and the door is on the other side of the tunnel. I don't know where this door goes. Nobody's really sure where it goes or what it leads to. It's definitely just a creepy thing. So yeah. I don't know if that's a fence ahead. I can't really tell from my angle. But yeah, look at this, guys. It's a massive, wide open tunnel. So, wow. The roadway is just brick the whole way through. Crazy, crazy structure. If I didn't know any better, I'd say we're at the abandoned turnpike, but I do know better, obviously. We're not there. We're at this little cool graffiti piece. But just look at the structure, dude. The structure's huge. Okay, so up here I think is the weird door in the side of the hill. I don't know what it is. Don't know what it goes to. A friend of mine on Facebook said that it used to just be the door in the wall. And then like randomly they came up here and put this fence around the place so you couldn't even get into where the door was. So I think it's almost like an old bunker, but as you can see, they put this brand new fence back here. So, but yeah, here it is. Looks like somebody put a tag right next to it. There it is. There's the creepy door in the side of the woods. Actually, you can get to it. Yo, that is so weird. It's just like a so I don't know what's left of the treatment plant. I think it's just totally just abandoned. Oh, you can see. I mean, it's obviously not used anymore, but it's still got water and stuff in it. It's just still water. That's all it is. Okay guys, Ghost Explorations back out here today again. Just continuing our walk on this abandoned street. We just hit the water treatment plant. We walked past the door. I'm going to analyze the door a little bit when I walk back to my car. But I saw this on the ground. I was like, what's that? I was trying to figure out why this road was abandoned. And then, sinkhole. And you can even see where the old manhole is over there. Okay guys, here's this weird door thing someone on my Facebook page told me about. Actually I saw it on his abandoned Facebook page. As you can see, it's definitely a door frame. I don't know if there was a door there before, but it's all welded shut right now. And there's like a, I don't know, a inch or two space on the bottom, but it's totally either welded or cemented shut. So yeah, I don't know what's in there, but it's creepy, whatever it is.